With DraftKings locking in its spot as the #1 sports betting app, why did I take profits in it last week? First, I haven't lost faith in DraftKings. I still believe in the long-term prospects for this company. However, DraftKings has rallied more than 227% from its low in December of 2022 at about $10.69 to where it closed on Friday. Second, DraftKings is an incredibly volatile stock. When I made my first video about it in December of 2021, it was trading at about $29, having pulled back from its all-time high at $74, and I said I wouldn't add to it again until it got down to $20. One commenter said DraftKings is never going to go that low. How new to the markets are you? And I was wrong. DraftKings didn't stop at $20. It sold off nearly 74% until it found its all-time low at $9.77 in May of 2022. That comment served to reinforce one of my key investing rules. You must never, ever trust a bottom. A stock may stop going down at its next level of support. However, as a long-term investor, you must plan for that support not to hold. And you must know what you're going to do in that investment if it goes lower. For me, the long-term prospects in DraftKings are great. The sports betting industry is still nascent and only breaking into more states with each passing year. DraftKings has dramatically improved its business practices and no longer loses significant amounts of money acquiring new users, which was a problem in the space. Previously, it was thought that anyone could get into this space and that there was no moat, no proprietary information for each company. But DraftKings has proven that not to be true. It's pulled away from the rest of the pack and is a leader in the space. In fact, it is best in breed, and that's why I only sold a small part of my position last week. I sold 20% of my position on the 6th at $33.93. This was a prior level of support and locked in 64.71% in gains on shares that I bought for $20.60 on January 20th of 2022. This sale only lowered my per share cost 0.67%, down from $33.06 to $32.84. But for me, because it's gotten so frothy in the markets lately and DraftKings had such an incredible run, it was important to take some money off the table. From here, my next buy target is at $17.42, quite a bit lower than where it closed on Friday. But like I said in December of 2021, you must never trust a bottom. It is possible that DraftKings could test its all-time low. However, it's also possible DraftKings could find support above it. And that's why I buy in stages. $17.42 is above a key level of past support. My next sell target is quite a bit higher than here at $44.78, a high that it reached back in 2021 when it first came public.